So here we have the Volkswagen UP on a 66 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you inside the boot, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside from there. As we approach the back of the car, you can see that given the size of this vehicle, we've got plenty of boot space. We have that 60/40 split folding rear seat, first of all, so you can increase the space that way. But also this tray section will lift to reveal a lot more space underneath, as you can see. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, we have the speedometer in the middle, and the fuel gauge over on the right-hand side. In the dead centre there, you can see the total mileage for the car. It is 15,779. We back out to the steering wheel. On the left-hand side, we have stereo controls, and over on the right-hand side, we have buttons that will change the trip computer information and menus that you can have displayed up in this central section just here. Over in the centre, first of all, you'll find the air conditioning, so you can adjust the temperature, the fan speed, and the direction the air is being distributed in. When you're happy with those settings, this button turns your air conditioning on, and it's on when that light shows, so same button again will turn that off should you wish to. We can bring in fresh air from outside the car, or recirculate the air that's in it. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly depending on the temperature you've set just here. We also have a heated driver's seat with 2 heat settings, and the same for the passenger side as well. Underneath that, you'll then find the stereo. So we've got the main volume over here. The dial over on the left can be used to change various bits of information up on the screen, as you can see. We can access our radio via this button, and every push of that radio button will take us through a different frequency or band wave. So you can see at the bottom there, we have FM, AM, and DAB, for example. The media button is where you'll listen to your own music. As you can see, we have USB, Bluetooth audio, and auxiliary input as well. So plenty of ways to listen to your music in this car. And if you hit the phone button, that is where you will pair your phone up to the vehicle. And then you have lastly, the menu, and you can use this dial to go through any of those settings that we were just talking about a moment ago. Underneath that, we have plenty of storage. We have a 12-volt charging socket, a cup holder. This button here will set the tyre deflation warning system to whatever level you want it at. And then we have a 5-speed manual gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call either of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.